Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Well, we're passionate about helping people with business and accounting. In today's video, I just want to cover the PPP Flexibility Act and give you guys a quick update. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the Paycheck Protection Program Flexibility Act became law on June 5th. President Trump has signed the bill. I have a detailed video I'm going to link up above that really goes through the bill and tells you all of the major changes. So I would check that out after this video. But I do want to talk about some of the major changes. So one of the major changes was the covered period. So we're going from an 8-week covered period to a 24-week covered period. The next major change was at least 60% of the loan amount needs to be allocated to payroll costs. The remaining 40% can be used on other costs such as interest on mortgage obligations, rent, and utility payments. Now, we still have lots of questions. For example, is the owner's cap gonna change from 15.38%? Honestly, we don't know. We're still waiting on guidance from the SBA, and we still need to wait for the updated PPP forgiveness application. Now, I do believe that the 24-week covered period will include your employee's cost, just not the owner's cost. Now, let's head over to the computer and just do a quick example as to how this may affect you as a sole proprietor with no employees. So again, this is based on the old application. I went ahead and adjusted some of the numbers. So if we look at our covered period, it's pulling 168 days, which would be the 24 weeks. So that's gonna be our covered period. The loan amount is gonna be based off of line 1 divided by 12 multiplied by 2.5. The cap, I'm just gonna leave it at the 15.38%. If the owner made $12,000, they would have received a $2,500 loan. And if we multiply it by the cap of 15.38%, that's going to give us $1,846.15. We're not going to have any mortgage interest. We did have rent during this covered period. We had some utilities. And so that is going to give us a total of $3,046.15. The FTE reduction, we're going to leave that as 1 since we're self-employed and we have no employees. Now let's look at the payroll costs 60% requirement. So we're going to take our payroll costs and we're going to divide it by the 0.6, and that's going to give us $3,076.92. So line 11 is taking the smallest amount of either 8, 9, and 10, which is $2,500, which was our PPP loan amount. And so with the reduction of the EIDL advance, this person will only owe the $1,000 of the EIDL advance. So basically the entire PPP loan was forgiven with the exception of the EIDL advance. Now, I haven't seen anything in the language that says that you don't have to pay this back. Like the EIDL is not going to reduce the loan. So I'm assuming that that's going to stay as is, and we still have to pay back the advance if you receive the EIDL advance. I have a video on the difference between the EIDL advance and the EIDL loan. So I'm going to link that up here if you're interested. Check it out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, share it with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.